In the culinary world, the term chef carries a weight that transcends the boundaries of the kitchen. A chef is not merely a person who cooks, rather, they are the architects of flavor, the orchestrators of culinary symphonies that dance on the taste buds of those fortunate enough to experience their creations. The journey to becoming a chef is a labyrinthine exploration of skill, passion, and an unwavering commitment to the craft. The genesis of a chef's career often lies in a profound love for food. It is a love that extends beyond the act of consumption, evolving into a fascination with the art and science of transforming raw ingredients into culinary masterpieces. This journey typically begins in humble kitchens, where aspiring chefs experiment with recipes, hone their knife skills, and develop a palate that can discern the subtlest nuances of flavor. Formal education in the culinary arts often becomes a pivotal point in a chef's trajectory. Culinary schools, with their rigorous training programs, expose students to a wide array of cuisines, techniques, and kitchen management skills. The aspiring chef delves into the intricacies of food science, learning the alchemy behind the reactions that occur in the crucible of the kitchen. From the precise measurements of ingredients to the delicate balance of flavors, the education of a chef is a holistic immersion into the gastronomic realm. One of the fundamental lessons a chef in training imbibes is the importance of mise en place, a French term that translates to everything in its place. This principle emphasizes the meticulous organization and preparation of ingredients before the cooking process begins. A chef's mise en place is akin to a painter's palette, with each ingredient playing a specific role in the flavor symphony about to unfold. As the fledgling chef progresses through their culinary education, they encounter a diverse array of cooking techniques. From the art of sautéing, where ingredients sizzle and dance in a hot pan, to the slow and patient process of braising, where flavors meld and intensify over time, each technique becomes a brushstroke in the chef's culinary canvas. The mastery of these techniques is not just about execution, but about understanding the underlying principles that govern the transformation of ingredients into a harmonious whole. Beyond the technical aspects, a chef cultivates a keen sense of creativity. The kitchen is their canvas, and ingredients are the colors waiting to be blended into a masterpiece. A chef's creativity is not bound by tradition, rather, it thrives on innovation and a willingness to push the boundaries of culinary conventions. The fusion of different cuisines, the incorporation of unexpected ingredients, and the reinterpretation of classic dishes are all manifestations of a chef's artistic expression. A crucial aspect of a chef's journey is the mentorship they receive along the way. In the hallowed halls of culinary institutions and esteemed kitchens, seasoned chefs impart their wisdom to the next generation. The mentor-apprentice relationship is a time-honored tradition where knowledge is passed down like a torch, igniting the passion and skill of those who aspire to follow in their mentor's footsteps. Through this mentorship, a chef not only gains technical expertise but imbibes the intangible qualities that define a true culinary artist: discipline, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. The life of a chef is not without its challenges. The kitchen is a crucible where pressure and heat can test the mettle of even the most seasoned professionals. Long hours, demanding patrons, and the relentless pursuit of perfection can take a toll on a chef's physical and mental well-being. Yet, it is precisely in the crucible of challenges that a chef's character is forged. The ability to remain calm under pressure, to adapt to unforeseen circumstances, and to maintain a standard of excellence even in the face of adversity are traits that distinguish the exceptional chef from the rest. The evolution of a chef is not confined to the four walls of a kitchen. In an era where culinary culture has permeated popular consciousness, chefs have become celebrities in their own right. Television shows, social media platforms, and culinary festivals have elevated chefs to the status of cultural icons. The once hidden world of the kitchen has been unveiled, And chefs are now celebrated not just for their culinary prowess, but for their personalities, stories, and the narratives they weave through their food. The concept of the celebrity chef has also catalyzed a shift in the perception of the culinary profession. It is no longer seen as a humble trade but as a dynamic and prestigious career that demands skill, artistry, and business acumen. Aspiring chefs are no longer confined to the traditional path of restaurant kitchens. Opportunities abound in catering, food styling, culinary writing, and even entrepreneurship. The culinary world has expanded its borders, welcoming diverse talents and perspectives into its fold. With this broadening of horizons comes the responsibility of a chef to be not just a culinary artist, but also a steward of ethical and sustainable practices. The farm-to-table movement, the emphasis on locally sourced ingredients, and the reduction of food waste are all integral aspects of modern culinary philosophy. A chef's influence extends beyond the plate. It encompasses the entire ecosystem of food production, from the farmers cultivating the ingredients to the diners savoring the final dish. The global nature of the culinary industry has also led to a cross-pollination of culinary traditions. Chefs today draw inspiration from a multitude of cultures, infusing their creations with a rich tapestry of flavors. This cultural exchange not only enriches the culinary landscape but also fosters a spirit of camaraderie among chefs worldwide. Culinary competitions, collaborative events, and international exchanges have become avenues for chefs to showcase their skills on a global stage, and to learn from the diverse culinary traditions of their peers. In the age of gastronomic exploration, a chef's role extends beyond the kitchen and into the realm of education. Cooking classes, workshops, and online tutorials are platforms through which chefs share their knowledge and skills with enthusiasts and budding cooks. The democratization of culinary education allows individuals to embark on their own culinary journeys, experimenting with recipes, and honing their skills in the comfort of their home kitchens. As technology continues to reshape the culinary landscape, chefs find themselves navigating a digital frontier. Social media platforms serve as virtual kitchens where chefs showcase their creations, interact with followers, and offer glimpses into their culinary philosophy. Online platforms have also become avenues for chefs to share recipes, culinary tips, and behind-the-scenes moments, creating a virtual community of food enthusiasts and professionals. In conclusion, the journey of a chef is a multifaceted odyssey that encompasses passion, skill, creativity, and a commitment to excellence. From the humble beginnings of a love for food to the global stage of culinary prominence, the chef's trajectory is marked by continuous learning, adaptation, and a deep appreciation for the art and science of cooking. As the culinary world evolves, so too does the role of the chef, transcending the confines of the kitchen to become a cultural influencer, mentor, and ambassador of the gastronomic arts. The chef, in all their culinary prowess, stands as a testament to the transformative power of food and the enduring legacy of those who dedicate their lives to the pursuit of gastronomic excellence.